In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create scrolling text on your Wix website without any need for coding expertise. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a sleek, professional-looking text animation that will add some dynamic flair to your site. So, let's dive right in. First, navigate to the Wix website editor. Once you're logged in and on your website's editing page, we'll start by selecting the element where you want your scrolling text to appear. Now locate and click on the text button on the left sidebar. Clicking text will give you the option to add a new text box to your page. Next, decide whether you want this text to be a title or longer body content. If it's something short and eye-catching, opt for the titles section. For a lengthier piece of text, go with paragraphs. This distinction helps in setting the right emphasis and styling your text appropriately for its purpose on your website. Once you've added your text box, click into it to begin editing the text itself. Make sure to enter the content you'd like to display, keeping your message clear and concise for the best viewer experience. Remember, the shorter and more impactful, the better, especially for scrolling effects which are intended to grab quick attention. Having entered your text, it's time to add some animation. Click on the text box you just created and you'll see a series of options at the top. Find and select the Animation and Effects option to open up a variety of animation choices for your text. Here, you'll be able to add the scrolling effect. Look for the Loop option, which will continuously play your text animation. This looping is beneficial if you have a longer message or want to ensure viewers catch the entirety of your information. After setting your loop, go ahead and click the X or cross button to exit out of the animation settings panel. With that done, your scrolling text is set and ready to roll. But before we finalize everything, it's crucial to see how it all looks and functions. Click on Preview to enter the preview mode of your website. In this mode, take a moment to review your scrolling text on the live page. Ensure the speed, visibility, and design all meet your expectations. If something seems off, don't worry. Simply exit the preview mode, make your adjustments, and preview again. Repeating this step ensures perfection before you publish your site. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add scrolling text to your Wix website without touching a line of code. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. Have fun with your new scrolling text feature, and feel confident knowing that little details like these make a significant impact on user engagement. Happy creating,